Good morning, traders. Another beautiful day to be here with you guys, giving you updates on market outlook on US dollar pairs and gold. So let's dive straight to it. Here on gold, we saw price continue to push down yesterday. Since yesterday, we saw price continue to push down into the lows, and we expect price to continue dropping a bit, at least to take this low. Then from there, we can start looking for more longs on XAUUSD, which is good. Or probably we might get price take out this low here. So that's what I'm looking at for gold. If I should go to the 4 hours, we'll see that gold is still gold trend is still an overall uptrend. But it's kind of we're arranging here. So what do I want to see in this kind of situation? Either price take out this low here. Either price take out this low here. Or we have price keep pushing up, giving us another break of structure, and then from there we can continue longer. Once we get to break of structures, then we'll be sure that price is ready to go up. But if not, we will just keep dropping till price takes here. Price taking this low is more is like is I would say is more is it has 50% chances of happening, or let's say 70% chance of happening than this price going up from here. So this is what I'm looking at for on DXY. Sorry, on XAUUSD. So I'm just looking for more longs on XAUUSD. And the next pair is DXY. We saw DXY push into the highs yesterday. So since the week open, price continued to push up after we had this pullback down, kind of a break of structure. So a break of structure and a change of character. Then price push up to this zone. If you drop to the 1 hour, we'll see that zone that price has gotten to is some kind of a liquidity, like price has already taken some kind of liquidity that's bumping the road. So possibly we might start seeing sales from more sales on DXY from here if price breaks this low. If only price breaks this low, then we can say okay, this is a 1 hour fractal structure shift. So this is a 1 hour partial structure shift, so we can continue shorting it from there. But if not, we might just keep seeing more longs. So this is what I'll be expecting. Either I get this or price continue going into the high, taking out this high, and then you know that DXY is not yet ready to sell off. So the next pair is Euro USD. Same with Euro USD. Euro USD looking similar with the DXY. We had liquidity taking bumps in the road. So what do we want to see? Fractal structure shift so that we can confirm that price is ready to change trend into the highs. So I want to see price take out this high here so that we'll know that price is ready to at least displace above this high, close it candle close, then so that we can continue taking the longs just like this. And then we can continue with the longs. So that's what I'm expecting on Euro USD. That's what I'm expecting on Euro USD. We should go to the 4 hours for 4 hour structure. We will see that the structure of 4 hours is looking similar with DXY, as we have liquidity taking here. We have our break low, and this kind of not that much of a break high because it's with wick. So it's kind of this and this makes this trade a risky one. or a low probability one. But the only thing that will make this trade valid now is when we get this 1 hour change of character. Then we'll now be sure that price is really going to push into the highs. So if we get 1 hour change of character, maybe from there we can just buy it. Risk a little, don't risk too much on this. We risk a little, then buy into this high. Then maybe from there we can continue going high until we get to this 3 monthly open or monthly open and yearly open. So the next pair on our list is GU. GU 4 hours. GU is kind of different from the rest. GU had liquidity sweep taken and sorry guys, what is this? And from there we expect more. What do you call it? We expect more highs on GU. Why? Because we have our break of structure, and I'm expecting another break of structure. So though we didn't get change of character, but if we have two break of structure, then I'll know that price is ready to continue the high. But if not, if we don't get two break of structure, then we might see price take out the slow on GU. Very simple price action, nothing much to see. What will tell me if that break of structure is coming? If we should get a fractal structure shift from this high too, then we know that we are ready to push more further into the highs. Simple. Next should be AUD. AUD has been pushing up for a while. Yesterday we got some retracement at New York section. Then today we are still getting retracements on AUD. So what do I want to see today on AUD? So possibly we might get price drop down to this zone before we start pushing further into the highs, because as you can see the structure of the market, everything is trending into the highs. So I want to see liquidity taking so that we can know, and this liquidity happens to be lying in the 50% of the entire move, because this is the entire move from this high to this high, sorry, from this low to this high. So I expect price to take this low so that we can look for more longs into the highs on AUD USD. So that's all for AUD USD. This is all of my expectations on AUD USD, and we might actually get price continue pushing up after taking this, but nevertheless, I'll wait for this zone. So the next pair should be New Zealand. New Zealand kind of looking similar with AUD. I want to see another high being created. As we have taken this, maybe we might push a little bit lower before price continue to give us a change of character. If I don't get a change of character, then I'm not taking the longs. So we want to see a change of character. Even if we are going to sell, we expect price to take liquidity. Though price has taken this, I would prefer to see price take this high so that I'm ready to sell. Then this, because in the 1 hour we're kind of trending low, but if I should go to the 4 hours, we are in an uptrend. So the overall swing trend is up. So I still expect more buys on this pair, as we have gotten to 50% of this entire move. So what do I expect to see now? I expect to see price push further into the highs and maybe take out this all these trend based sales, take them out. So that's that for New Zealand US dollar. The next pair is US dollar CHF. US dollar CHF. This was a trade I missed out on yesterday because price didn't tag me in. Here in 4 hours, we see price continue to push into the highs. I was expecting price to take out this low actually, but we had a change of character after price took this low and gave and took this extra one and dropped to the 1 hour. So as you can see here, we have price give us a change of character. So from here we expect more long. I was expecting to join this trade from here, but I ended up not being tagged in because of price which kept on pushing up. So this is a nice trade that this is more than a one. This is a very nice trade. This is like a 9R trade that I would have taken, but I didn't get tagged in. I should go to the 15 minutes so that you guys can see. See, I didn't get tagged in, so that's bad. Yeah, so we in the higher time frame, like the 4 hours, we're expecting price to take this high here, so that we're expecting price to take this high here, so that we can then start seeing more long shorts, because presently there is no bump in the road here apart from this one here. So from there we can start seeing shorts. So that's that for US dollar CHF. US dollar card kind of messy after only though we only took low. Sorry, we only took this liquidity high. Then that's why price is pushing down, and the yearly open also. So I expect to see maybe one more from this zone now. I want to see liquidity sweep then, so that I can keep selling to take this lows here. If I should go to the 1 hour, you see it's clearer. So I'm expecting price to take this low here, then sorry, take this high here, then from there we can continue shorting, as we have built liquidity, trend-based liquidity here, and also we have built ascending liquidity, and also we have higher time frame liquidity resting below. So the next pair is USD JPY. USD JPY, I'm still looking for more longs as we have already taken this high. Yeah, this is a trade I'm currently on. I already closed some positions on this pair, so what I'm waiting for now is to see how is this chart looking clear. This is a trade I'm currently on. I took this trade around here, and I'm targeting for, and I targeted for this. So this was a 1:2. This is a 2R actually, or 1:4. This trade was somewhere here. This was a 1:4, 1:3 trade for me. So I'm still holding some because I'm looking to see price take this high here on US dollar JPY. So I'm looking to see price take this high here. If we should get price take this high, then I will be satisfied. Though we already had this one swept, that's why price started rejecting. But I'm still looking to see this one taking. So that's my bias on US dollar JPY. Still looking for more longs. At least let's take this high so that from there we can know what we are doing. So that's that for today, guys. That's the last pair of the day. So if you like to see videos like this, and you like to see morning outlooks like this, videos like this, just leave a like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. That's the three things you have to do to see videos like this. So guys, that's that for today. See you all tomorrow. Peace out.